Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to link Facebook page to Messenger. So let's get started. So if you want to link your Facebook page to your Messenger, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Messenger and then check if your Facebook page is already linked. So what you can do is just simply open up your Messenger and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left. After tapping on that, just tap on the gear icon which is on the top and then check if your page is linked. So you can see my page is already linked. So if I'll just tap on it, and after tapping on it I can access my page. But if you don't find your page here, then what you have to do is follow some easy steps. So what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook. After opening up your Facebook application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on that, now you'll find a down arrow which is in your profile. So on your profile you will find this down arrow, just tap on it, and after tapping on that you just have to switch to your page. And after switching to your page, now you just have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, just tap on the gear icon which is also in the top right, and then tap on the search bar and then search for messaging. After searching for that, now you'll find this option which is messaging. Just simply tap on it and then make sure that it's turned on. So if you'll just turn it off, then you can't find the page in your Messenger. So what you can do is just simply turn it on, and after turning it on, now what you can do is just open up your Messenger and then check if it's linked. So just tap on the gear icon and then check if it's linked. So I have just simply disconnected, so it is not showing me over here, but I'll just simply turn it on, and after turning it on, again open up my Messenger and that will show me my page. So in this way you can also follow these steps and then link your Facebook page to your Messenger. So that's it guys, this is how to link Facebook page to Messenger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.